What's up, everyone? Alex here, and welcome back to the channel. Spring is officially in the air, and you know what that means. It's time to get our hands dirty and make our gardens beautiful. But here's the thing. Creating a stunning outdoor space doesn't have to break the bank. In fact, you can do it for way less than you think. Today, I'm taking you on a trip to one of my favorite places for budget-friendly finds, Dollar Tree. I've scoured the aisles and come up with 10 amazing garden DIYs that will totally transform your space. This is part one of a two-part series, and trust me, you won't believe what we can create with just a few dollars. We're not just throwing things together. We'll talk about the design psychology behind each project, so your garden not only looks good, but feels good too. Ready to make some magic? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about creating some serious curb appeal with a custom house number planter. I found these simple black plastic planters and some great-looking adhesive numbers. The process is super easy. Just clean the surface of the planter, line up your numbers, and stick them on. The design psychology here is all about creating a welcoming and personalized entry point. Your house number is one of the first things guests see, and integrating it with live plants adds a touch of warmth and life. It says, "Welcome, we care about the details." Plus, using a vertical element like a tall planter draws the eye upward, making your entry feel grander. Fill it with some colorful annuals, and you've got a high-end look for less than $5. Project number 2 is all about ambience. We're making solar-powered mason jar lights. Dollar Tree has these classic glass jars and a variety of solar stake lights. All you do is carefully remove the light fixture from the plastic stake. Most of them just pop right off. Then, place the solar top onto the jar where the lid would normally go. The psychology behind this is creating what designers call layers of light. Instead of one harsh overhead light, scattering these soft, glowing jars around your garden or patio creates a sense of mystery and romance. It's a gentle, indirect light that makes a space feel cozy and intimate. It invites you to slow down and enjoy the evening. You can hang them from branches with some twine or just place them along a pathway. It's instant atmosphere. For our third idea, we're building a vertical herb garden. I grabbed a few of their wire baskets, some zip ties, and a bag of coconut coir liners. Simply attach the baskets to a fence or a wall in a tiered arrangement using the zip ties. Then, pop in the liners, fill them with soil, and plant your favorite herbs like basil, mint, or rosemary. The design principle here is maximizing vertical space. This is perfect for small patios or balconies where ground space is limited. Growing vertically not only saves space, but also creates a lush, living wall effect, which can make a small area feel more abundant and private. Plus, the convenience of having fresh herbs right outside your door is a game changer for your cooking. It's practical, beautiful, and saves you money on groceries. Idea number 4 is a personal favorite, a whimsical fairy garden. Dollar Tree is a goldmine for this. They have tiny houses, little benches, colorful pebbles, and faux moss. Grab a shallow terracotta saucer or a wide, low planter as your base. The psychology here is about creating a sense of wonder and enchantment. A fairy garden is a miniature world that sparks imagination for both kids and adults. It's a form of escapism. Placing these tiny elements among small plants like succulents or ground cover creates a focal point that draws you in. It encourages you to look closer and appreciate the small details. It's not just a decoration. It's a tiny story you're telling in your garden. It's pure, simple joy in a pot. Next up, let's elevate our potted plants with idea number 5, decorative rope-wrapped pots. All you need are some basic terracotta or plastic pots and a few packs of their nautical rope or jute twine. Starting from the bottom, apply a line of hot glue and begin wrapping the rope tightly around the pot. Continue gluing and wrapping until you reach the top. The design psychology behind this is all about adding texture. A plain plastic pot is functional, but a rope-wrapped pot adds a rustic, organic texture that feels much more high-end and natural. Texture adds depth and interest to a design. It makes things feel more tactile and visually appealing. This simple trick can unify a collection of mismatched pots, or just give a cheap pot a seriously expensive, coastal-inspired makeover. For idea number 6, we're creating some beautiful and functional garden markers. Forget those flimsy plastic tags. I found these smooth, flat river stones and some paint pens. You can also use a permanent marker. Just write the name of your plant on each stone. You can get creative with your handwriting, or even add a small doodle of the plant. The design principle here is biophilic design, which is all about connecting with nature. Using natural materials, like stone instead of plastic, feels more harmonious in a garden setting. It blends in beautifully while still being practical. It's an earthy, durable solution that looks intentional and thoughtfully curated, rather than just store-bought. It adds a personal, handcrafted touch that makes your garden uniquely yours. Okay, idea number 7 is for all the bird lovers out there. We're making a simple but stylish bird feeder. I grabbed a ceramic plate and a matching bowl, along with a tube of strong, waterproof adhesive like E6000, which you might already have at home. Simply apply the adhesive to the bottom of the bowl and center it on the plate. Let it dry completely, and you have a beautiful feeder. The plate acts as a perch and catches any spilled seed. The design psychology here is about attracting life to your garden. A garden isn't just about plants. It's an ecosystem. Adding a feature like a bird feeder brings movement, sound, and color. Watching birds come and go creates a dynamic and engaging environment. It connects your space to the wider natural world and provides a source of daily entertainment. Moving on to idea number 8, a DIY tiered planter. This one looks so impressive, but it's incredibly simple. You'll need 3 pots in graduating sizes: small, medium, and large, and 2 smaller, empty plastic pots that you can flip upside down. Place the large pot down, fill it with soil, then place one of the small empty pots upside down in the center. Put the medium pot on top of that, fill it with soil, and repeat the process with the last empty pot and the smallest planter on top. The design principle is creating levels and height. A flat garden can be boring. A tiered planter creates an instant focal point with varying heights, making the arrangement much more dynamic and visually interesting. It allows you to showcase a variety of plants in a compact footprint, and it gives the impression of a professionally designed container garden. For our 9th idea, let's add some sound to our garden with a delicate wind chime. I found some bamboo placemats, the ones made of thin bamboo sticks, and some fishing line. Carefully take the placemat apart so you have a bunch of individual bamboo sticks. Then, take a slightly larger stick or a piece of driftwood for the top. Drill small holes in the top piece and in each of the bamboo sticks. Then, use the fishing line to tie the sticks to the top piece at varying lengths. The psychology is about engaging all the senses. A great garden appeals not just to your sense of sight, but also to sound, smell, and touch. The gentle, hollow clinking of bamboo is a very soothing, natural sound that promotes relaxation and a sense of peace. It's an auditory element that makes your garden feel like a true sanctuary. And finally, idea number 10 for today is a beautiful mosaic stepping stone. Dollar Tree often has bags of colored gloss gems, flat-back marbles, or even old ceramic plates you can break up carefully. You'll also need a bag of quick-set concrete and a mold, which can be an old cake pan or a plastic plant saucer. Mix the concrete, pour it into the mold, and then press your mosaic pieces into the wet surface to create a unique pattern. The design psychology is about creating a path and destination. Stepping stones guide the eye and the foot through a space, creating a sense of journey and discovery. A personalized, handmade stone becomes a piece of art in your garden, a surprise detail that adds character and tells a story about the person who made it. It's a way to literally put your own stamp on your garden path. And that's a wrap for part 1. 10 ideas to get you started on creating a beautiful garden on a Dollar Tree budget. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these out. Remember, good design isn't about how much you spend. It's about being creative and understanding why certain things look and feel good. We've talked about everything from adding texture and height to engaging all your senses. Let me know in the comments which idea was your favorite, and if you have any other brilliant Dollar Tree hacks. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss part 2, where we'll have even more amazing and affordable projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.